Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, batch process manufacturing. So in the last session we discussed about types of manufacturing process, the production process. So we discussed about discrete process, repetitive process, continuous process, job shop process. Now we are going to discuss batch process manufacturing. So what do you mean by batch? It will be the step-by-step process, right? So the batch process of manufacture differs quite a bit from continuous process manufacturing and is more similar to discrete and job shop manufacturing. So the number of batches that are created will be enough to serve your particular customer needs. In between batches, the equipment will be cleaned and left alone until another batch is required. The raw materials used are more similar to continuous process manufacturing as they are liquids, gases, powders, and slurries too. So a prominent example of this is a sauce manufacturer. They may be capable of creating many sauces, that is BBQ, barbecue nation, so everyone know. So mayonnaise, but a customer order may only require one of them. Whilst they make one batch of ketchup for a customer to a specific quantity. The mayonnaise and other sauces won't be in production. Instead, the machines will be cleaned and left until it's time to create another batch of that sauce. So it's a batch process manufacturing. Next, we are going to discuss about production and inventory strategies. So what do you mean by inventory? Inventory is nothing but stock, right? So there are some of the types of strategies are there. Production inventory strategies, make to order strategy, assemble to order strategy, make to stock strategy, mass production. So these are the types of inventory strategies. So make to order strategy, a strategy used by manufacturers that make products to customer specifications in low volume. So depends upon the customer specification, we are going to manufacture that particular product. Assemble to order strategy, a strategy for producing a wide variety of products from relatively few assemblies and components after the customer orders are received. So make to stock strategy. So what do you mean make to stock strategy? A strategy that involves holding items in stock for immediate delivery, thereby minimizing customer delivery times. Mass production. So everyone know, for example, in Pongal, Diwali, they are having mass production of sweet and crackers and cloths like that. So mass production. So a term sometimes used in the popular press for a line process that uses the make to stock strategy. So these are the production inventory strategies. Customer involvement, what about the good or bad? How to analyze? So improved competitive capabilities. More customer involvement can mean better quality, faster delivery, greater flexibility, and even lower cost. So these are the things are very important to improve the customer involvement, because every customer they expected more involvement, in the sense better quality of the product, and also they receive the product in that proper time on delivery, and greater flexibility, and even lower cost. So lower cost and better quality, that's only they're expecting. Customers can come face to face with the service providers, where they can ask questions, make special requests on the spot, and provide additional information. Self service is the choice of many retailers. However, customer involvement can be disruptive and make the process less efficient. Greater interpersonal skills are required, because in every organization, the customer interpersonal skills are required for that every employee, and quality measurement becomes more difficult. So this is the vertical integration. Uh, there is some process. So raw materials, egg, flour, and sugar. So backward integration, it's a king supers. It's nothing but in-house process within the organization. And forward integration, customers. For example, it has a grocery stores. So resource flexibility, flexible workforce. So a workforce whose members are capable of doing many tasks, either at their own workstation or as they move from one workstation to another. That is a job enlargement, job rotation, and job enrichment. So these are the resource flexibility. The flexible equipment, low volume mean that process designer should select flexible general purpose equipment. Capital intensity is the mix of equipment and human skills in the process. The greater the relative cost of equipment, the greater is the capital intensity. automation, everyone know now it's converted to AI. So everything we are using the automation. So automation is a system, process, or piece of equipment that is self-acting and self-regulating. Fixed automation is a manufacturing process that produces one type of part or product with a sequence of simple operations. Flexible automation is a manufacturing process that can be changed easily to handle various products. So economies of scope. Economies in every product they are having some depends on economy only we are going to manufacture. So economies of scope are economies that reflect the ability to produce multiple products more cheaply in combination than separately. With economies of scope, they often conflicting competitive priorities of customization and low price become more compatible. So what are the strategies for change? Process re-engineering. So in the term business process re-engineering, it's a fundamental rethinking and drastic redesign of process to improve performance dramatically in terms of cost, quality, and speed. So in every product, they are going to analyze and redesign and cost and quality and speed also it will be before, but it will be easy to satisfy the customers. Process improvement is the systematic study of the activities and flows of each process to improve it. So it's very important heading facility layout. So layout is nothing but plan. So everyone know if you're going to construct a building, you need a layout. So the same like that, the layout is very, very important. So the layout facility is the physical location of the various department units of the facility within premises of the facility. The department may be located based on the considerations such as less walking distance because it will be accessible by the customer, it will be easily. Logical sequence of the processing requirement of the product, emergency service, etc. So factors affecting layout, material, product, machinery, labor, location, manager, type of industry, and policies. You can see the diagram, it will be easy to understand. So where is the parking area, where is the workspace, and everything it will be, it's a factory, pharmaceutical plant layout. So everything, where is the scrap will be stored, and everything you have to design that layout. So next session we are going to discuss in detail about the facility layout. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching.